big story, Gujarat will vote on the 11th and 16th of December. 2 days because poll officials say they want to ensure there is no malpractice or untoward incident. In fact, they will be moving in extra security forces, as many as 60,000 paramilitary troops for the two-phase poll. Of Gujarat's 182 seats, 87 will vote in the first phase, 95 in the second phase. Counting in Gujarat will be on the 23rd of December. The results will be out the same day. In comparison, Himachal Pradesh goes to the polls over 2 days, but because of the remoteness of certain areas and snow, only 3 constituencies will vote on the 14th of November because they get snowbound in winter. The remaining 65 will vote on the 19th of December. Counting will be on the 28th of December. So it will be a happy new year for some and perhaps not so happy for others.
Availability of force, and our intention has been to cover as many of the polling stations as possible with our ability to control the polling there, to ensure that there is no bogus voting or no malpractices. Therefore, we have decided that the ideal will be two-phase poll.
But the BJP has its own concerns. There's intense factionalism in Gujarat, with the rebel MLAs threatening to campaign against the Chief Minister Narendra Modi. After the poll dates were announced, the party president was moved to appeal for unity.
वहां की राजनीतिक परिस्थितियों को देखते हुए कोई व्यक्ति सहज रूप से कह सकता है कि गुजरात और हिमाचल दोनों राज्यों में भारतीय जनता पार्टी को स्पष्ट बहुमत हासिल होगा।
मैं चुनाव का स्वागत करता हूं। आने वाले दिनों में चुनाव की गर्मी का अनुभव होता जाएगा। इलेक्शन कमीशन इस बात का जरूर संतोष लेगा कि गुजरात के अंदर आनंद के साथ, उमंग के साथ और सच्चे अर्थ में लोकशाही की शक्ति बढ़ाने वाले चुनाव होंगे।